About 5 years ago now, we started working on a series of music videos as passion projects. On the first one of those, I managed to break the headstock on my guitar, which has recently just got fixed. On the second of those music videos, then managed to break the amp, which has just got fixed this week as well. And then, although we never actually made a third music video, ended up managing to break another guitar, getting ready for that. And that is currently in repair as we speak. So a huge thank you to Alex. I will link his Instagram below, who has fixed 2 of our guitars and the amp. And that's really exciting because it means we can finally start hosting our open mic nights here at the studio. We love doing the live music, but the whole concept of this place was community studio. So we wanted to create evenings where local artists can come through, perform. The first open mic night is going to be on Friday the 20th of February. So give us a shout if you'd like to come down and perform. Today, we're heading out to do another key part of the work we do here at our studio, some education and training. Now, for a part of the studio that you might not have seen before, our cinema space. The cinema space is a bit of a well-kept secret, and we deliberately haven't shown it that much yet because there's so much more that we want to do to it. It's a great place to film as it is. We've shot lots of stuff here, but its primary purpose was to be an education and training space. So to function a bit like a classroom, but be a much more comfortable and exciting environment to be in. We absolutely love going out and delivering these filmmaking photography workshops in schools and colleges, but a big goal for us this coming year is to expand our education offering so that we can open our doors to filmmaking and photography students to come in, have full access to the studio, full access to all our equipment, and to be able to deliver real, practical, valuable education in our training space as well. If you're interested in our education offer, head over to our website. There's tons of information there. And if you're not local to us here in the studio and can't come in, we've specifically created a filmmaking course that's going to get you up to speed as quickly as possible with all the essential information you need to start producing professional video content.